Hello, I'm Rajat, co-founder at Endeavor AI. In this play, we'll be discussing about one of the most common and right now popular thing going in the market, which is signal-based selling or signal-based intent, warm leads, etc. This particular play is an answer to all of them, where you can actually customize the signals that you want to have for your company. And every week, high intent ICP approved leads will be surfaced directly either into your Google Sheet, or if you want them in your Slack, or you can wire them into your CRM as well. I would recommend you should go and read the description of this play and also copy this sheet, because this will with this you'll be able to deploy the play in your instance. So let's move ahead. Let's click on use play. So as soon as we click on, the play will be copied into your instance and you'll directly enter into interface. On the left hand side, you can have a small description here, but what you need to do is to provide an input of the perfect fit lead or the ICP qualification criteria here. And you can be as thorough as possible and give as much detail as possible. So once you have filled in the details, then let's start. Okay, so it's asking about the offerings that we need to that your company actually offers to the customer. I've copied it for ourselves. We are an autonomous revenue operating system, purpose built for go-to-market team. Let me just send it over. So as soon as I send it over, it is actually sifting through the details that I've provided, and it will kind of suggest the signals that I should track. Okay, here they are. So it has suggested the signals out of the glossary. We can actually view it fully in the input here. So for data and attribution challenges, the company is struggling with multi-touch attribution or funnel visibility. The source would be web search or LinkedIn, or regarding tool discovery, sales process modernization, and leadership change as well, right? So we can actually change the input as well. So for example, if I say that I don't want the tool discovery signal, share the remaining. Let's see what it does. Great. So it has removed the one signal that I have asked not to put, and it has come up with 9 rows of data. Let's just proceed. As soon as you click proceed, actually it starts finding signals at the back end. It will sift through multiple sources that we have identified and get you the signals. And because this is a big play, and it's surfing the signals from worldwide, so it might take some time. So you can have a coffee break till then. Great. So our first signals are here. There's a summary about the signals, and I think we have received 11 high intent opportunities here. That's really great. Let's get into the details. So these are curated signals. Okay, these are the categories that we have asked for, and we received really good leads from Teslio and One Signal, Sendoso, etc. These are the signals. Either they are hiring signals, or if they have adopted some of our competitors, etc. All the signals are here. I can ask question based on these signals here. So let me just go and ask, can you tell me two most important signal based on ICP? Let's see. Awesome. So it has actually given me two results. This signals under the revenue scale category appeared six times. Yeah. So rapid SDRE hiring is the my most important signal, and then RevOps team formation or expansion is was detected three times. So it has given me some details. Great. So now you have the outputs ready and you have the inputs ready as well. So whatever your preferred signals were, you can go here and download this directly from here. So these are the signals that you have identified. We have identified initially. We can just download it. Okay, great. So now when you have got the gist of what this can do and what is the power of this play, let's move on to deploy it in your instance. Okay, great. So this is a pretty small workflow, although it does wonders. There's a scheduler at the start. Basically, it has been scheduled that every week on Monday at 10 a.m. in the morning, it will start, and then it will read the sheet initially. So let's go and try to give it the sheet. I'm already integrated. That's why my Google Sheet is coming here, but you can click on Add New, or you can actually connect your account as well from here. Now this is the sheet. These are the picked signals, and you just need to come out. Great. This is the second node. I think we have mentioned all the details about our signals here. Nothing to change here. You can just come out. Awesome. Okay, we might have to run this. Let's run the sheet. Great. See, all the config errors have been removed. Now let's come to the last node here and do the thing again. As soon as you select, you can select the output sheet. Just come out. Great. So this is an error-free workflow that we have created. Now let's just switch it on. We'll just set it in motion. So as soon as you set it in motion, it will run every 7 days, Monday at 10 a.m. in the morning, and give you the ICP approved high intent signals directly into the sheet. At the end, you can actually change it. You can remove this node and add a new node where you can actually send those two signals to Slack as well. So let's say we can add a send message from here, and then you can send those signals to similarly you can send it to HubSpot, etc. Also, let's once you have created this, you can go to interface again and then start over. And when you start, you have the option to have workflow run as well. So whatever is mentioned in the sheet will be run here. So you can actually test out the complete workflow run and what are the outputs here before actually switching it on to your Slack or HubSpot. Thank you for now.